I have lots of lights in my basement. It's pretty well lit in most places, except for right here. And I have a table of stuff that I keep here, and I'm always looking in here. And so what I want to do up here is actually put a light bulb that will turn on. So I bought this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda standing in kind of the darkest area. It's not really dark here. I could actually film a video just like this right here. But one of the problems is looking down here and trying to find the stuff that I need is really tough. So I thought maybe I would just, because I have an outlet right there, hang a little light bulb socket and then put this light bulb. Now, what makes this light bulb interesting is it's LED, deformable, 3-panel, but right there we have a motion sensor. So hopefully the nice thing is when I come over here to this table and I'm looking through stuff or trying to find some golf balls or trying to sneak in some cookies, whatever it might be, hopefully this will go on and make it a lot easier. And then I don't have to worry about turning off the light either when I walk away. So let's get this hung up, see if it works. All right, so I got the light installed here. It is very bright. I've got all those deformable panels facing straight down, and now I can see everything here. It is well lit. I mean, like an operating table. It is so well lit, which is awesome. Now, the thing about this is it actually has a little button on the side which says 1, 0, or 2. So the 0 is off. 1 is on all the time as far as I can tell. And 2 is the motion sensor. So I've got it on here. And now I thought we would just wait, and I will try to be very still and see how long it stays on. Okay, it just went off, and I'm trying to stay as still as possible because I want to say it took about 2 minutes. So if it doesn't detect any motion for 2 minutes, it goes off, which is nice, not wasting a lot of time. But now I'm about to move and see if it goes back on. So just kind of waved my hand here, detected that, went back on. All's good in the world. So the motion sensor light bulb seems to work fine. And like I said, it's very bright. I could angle these panels around a little bit. So if you want to pick up this simple but super bright deformable light bulb that will detect when you're around, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.